Today we're super excited for this one. We got a modern CarPlay from CarABC. We're going to be putting it into this 67 GMC truck. If you're new to the channel, we do a lot of car show content. We just picked this truck up. We're going to be doing some build series. Hope you enjoy the video. Hit the like button. Don't forget, check out their affiliate link below. Help support the channel and show them that the video was worth it. So give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn the bell notification on for more in the build series into the install. Let's get into this. We'll do a short unboxing and then we'll get straight into the install. This is CarABC. All their information will be linked below. It is a 10.3 inch touch screen. It has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So it's all around smart screen. Here it is right here. It is a nice wide unit. They offer a lot of different varieties, but I like the look of this one and they sent it to me and I appreciate them for sending it to me. Into what's included, we have a suction cup design. It's got a nice clip on it, awesome suction. These do work really well on installs. We have a cigarette lighter with a USB port, and then we also have aux. So with all that said and done, let's jump into this install. With the install, it's all up to pretty much wherever you put this in. Because these are universal, there's no designated spot to put it in. I do have a radio here, which is perfect, because you can Bluetooth to your radio for the sound and then Bluetooth to the touch screen for all your traffic, all your connections, your on-screen controls. My plans for this is going to be putting it up here on the dash, somewhere about right there. So it doesn't obstruct my vision. I still have full controls to the stock radio if needed. You can block out the stock radio. So I could have done it like this right here. You know, I could have it over here, mount it to the glove box area. It's all up to the end user. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mount it here. So we will grab the suction and I will be right back. I'm gonna end up having to play with the suction. It extends, twists, all that stuff, rotates. So pick the best position, the mounting position. I'm gonna play with it and I will show you how I install it. Here is the install position I decided. Like I said, you can do it however you want. If you want it up on the top of the windshield, it's a universal mount, so it fits in any car, classics, modern, all that. I have the suction cup right here secured. I twisted this, got this to rotate just to be above the dash pad. This knob right here twists and it extends, retracts it. Looks like it's going to be a perfect fit right there. Right here you can adjust the angle, all that. I want to keep it straight, so it's straight with the radio. So it's a heads-on display. I'm going to put the radio on. I'll be right back. Before I put the radio on, let's talk about the back of it. We have on the far right where the arrow is now, we have a USB-C, so that'll be your main power source. The middle, we have an auxiliary in and auxiliary out. And then we also have a USB-C in. Let's get back into the install. Let's get this secured to the bracket. Alright, after messing with it for a little bit, this is what I did. As you can see, it's right there. It's kind of using the dash as a leaning point, which could work out really well. At least for stability and stuff like that. Still have full access to the stock radio. It blends in, doesn't stick out like a sore thumb, which is very nice. So as far as wiring, here's what we got. It is USB-C, like I said. For modern cars, this would probably be your best bet. For modern vehicles, this is your best bet. Simple, plug it into your cigarette lighter, run the USB from here to the USB-C on the radio, or you could do a USB-C to USB-C. It's up to you. But on a classic truck like this, it's not going to be that simple. The next project we're going to get up here, we're going to get inside the fuses, find where the radio remote wire is, and we are going to hardwire this into the truck. Let's get into that pretty soon here. So I decided I'm going to mount it right there on the top of the dash. This will support it, the pad right here. I'm going to try out this mount for a little bit to see what it looks like, but I ran the wires down here. I'm going to get something to cover these up and put them more toward the dash pad. As you can see, they're a little loose right now. All the way down here under the dash, right there. What I decided to do so far, I'm going to use the stock cigarette lighter. I just replaced it, so it's good, it's working. I'm going to use this until I get a fuse panel or something else. Possibly put this thing on a switch. So this is the connector that came with it. I found out it does have audio outputs and inputs on here. So it's all pretty much one wire. You hook it up here to the USB from the cigarette lighter it came with, and it's got these for input and output. So I kind of like that. Later on, I might use these for other sound projects into it, but let's plug it in and see what it does. Alright, you have the welcome screen here. Connect iPhone, connect Android, use Wi-Fi. Also receive a signal for the audio video input. Adjust brightness. Oh, there's no signal because I don't have anything hooked up. Adjust the brightness of the screen. We turn it up, turn it down at nighttime. CarPlay settings. We have right-hand drive and then 60 frames per second, which is awesome. We'll start at the top. System. We have languages, time and date. I already did mess around with this, so it should be, or nope, I gotta program that in. We'll do that at a later time. Let's get into display. Like I said, brightness, CarPlay settings, sound, media, navigation, phone, dual Bluetooth. So the screen device is only a display only. I want to use this because I'm going to use this radio as the sound for my CarPlay CarABC device. Back into settings. So dual Bluetooth is on, it had to reset. You can do FM transmitter also, which is very cool. So it'll transmit to whatever FM station you choose. And then also Wi-Fi. If I have Wi-Fi, I could connect it right there. I am going to connect my phone and I will be right back. Okay, so I have to turn Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on my phone and connect to car Bluetooth. So my phone settings right here, car Bluetooth 4C9B. And It'll come up here, pair. Taking a little while. All right, now we are connected. So I have a bunch of whatever your CarPlay apps you have will come up. So we can go to my apps, see what all I have. Phone, music, maps, messenger, settings, Lyft, play music, scanner, Waze, car weather, smart life. I got a bunch of stuff on my phone that is CarPlay compatible. So that's about it. Then we just go to YouTube Music. I'm not going to play anything because of course it's copyrighted material, but I can just select what I want. Alright, so I did connect the cigarette lighter, which is nice, to the fuse. So it's only on when the radio's on. So I have it all tied into the radio. So I turn my truck on, the screen, everything will work. With the Bluetooth, all I have to do is go into my phone, Bluetooth settings, and connect to both devices. As you can see, I'm already connected up there. Now I'll just connect to the dual player, and then let's hit a... So as you can see, we got both connections going on. As you can see, it's very simple to hook this up. I love these things. Thank you to CarABC. They did send me this product to do an install video for you guys on the truck. Part of the partnering with the channel, partnering with the build. I love it. I love the support. If you can check them out below if you're interested in getting one, I will drop the discount down here for you guys. But stay tuned, we got more stuff to do on the comeback build truck. We got rock lights, wireless controller, headlights, a lot of stuff's coming up. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe, hit the like button, comment what you think of the screen. It might not be for everybody, but I like it and it's my style, the style I want to go with on the truck. And there's different ways you can mount it, hardwire it, all that stuff too. That's all up to you guys. Check out video on the left and the right. We will be coming back with more build series content. Also going to a lot of car shows. Thank you guys for your support. We'll see you in the next video.